Hi guys, it is very important topic right now, how you can improve your landing page copywriting skill. So one thing which you have to do every single day in order to be best at the landing pages copywriting thing, which I am doing from last 6 months. I don't tell you the lie. So after the 6 months of my experience of doing the landing pages every single day, sometimes landing page is very big, so one day you cannot do. So what you're gonna do, you can write that particular landing page with 2 days, and what you have to do, you just have to go to your Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, and whatever there is an ad, if someone try to sell you the courses, if someone try to give you the consulting, if someone try to sell you the books and all, so many things, there are plenty of people trying to sell you so many things. You just have to go there, just have to click that particular ad, so there will be a landing page, and you have to open that landing page in the Google Chrome. They have the three dots in the right hand upper side of the column. If you just click that, then you will see open with browser, open with Chrome. Just go there in the Chrome, straight away you will get the Chrome page of that particular landing page only. You don't have to copy the link and then go to the Chrome and then paste. You don't have to do that, and start writing whatever there is the kind of copy is already written. You just have to copy that, and without having a music and all, because once you do that, then your focus will go there. But once you started writing now, after 1 month, 2 months, you don't like it, but after third month, after 2 months, if you do that, if you be very consistent, you will start to recognize कि okay, these are the things is repeating every single time. This thing is repeating, this FAQ is repeating, this video testimonial, this image testimonial, is all the things are repeating. So now you will get the idea of how to write the landing page. This is how it is. It's not about I'm just read some books and I'm just here to share the things with you. No, it's truly the practical ways how I'm thinking right now, because I'm doing every single day. And to be very honest, after the job, I don't have any energy to do that, but still also I'm doing, because I like to write the landing page, which you can say hand copying things, because a very great copywriter already write that, and you just have to go and you just have to copy that. So that's how it is. If you really want to improve your landing pages skill, now if you give me any topic, I will write the landing pages. I'm not sure about it whether I'm gonna sell or not, but yes, I have an idea. Now I get the confidence, because I'm doing that every single day. So this is the way you can increase your confidence, and this is the way you can start with doing something. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks a lot.